Good morning. A fantastic information about beavers. The beavers are known for their ecosystem engineer. They behave like engineers because they 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 intend to modify the environment with the help of their sharp sisal-like powerful incisors. They cut down shrubs and tree trunks and build comfortable dome-shaped lodges for themselves in the river. The that lodges require certain water level. They make artificial lakes by blocking river with dams made of branches. These lodges have two entries, one above the water level and one under water level. These beaver lodges provide them security from other land animals and weather conditions. The underwater tunnels also provide them with safe exit channel in situation of danger. Underwater tunnels also provide them with safe exit channels in situation of danger. Therefore, like a human being, these beavers are behaving indifferently as if like an engineer. Best wishes.